Imagine this for a second. What if tonight, NASA received a signal that was never sent from Mars? At 3:17 Universal Time Coordinated, NASA's Deep Space Network detected a transmission coming from the red planet, clear, structured, intelligent. The problem was terrifyingly simple. No spacecraft on Mars was scheduled to transmit anything at that time. Engineers stopped typing. Mission control went silent. And in that moment, NASA realized this Mars mission had slipped beyond human control. The story begins with Ares 9, the most advanced Mars mission ever launched. This wasn't just a rover. It was a fully autonomous AI system designed to think, adapt, and make decisions without human approval. Its destination was a forbidden region of the Martian southern highlands, an area satellites avoided for decades due to unexplained electromagnetic disturbances. Some scientists dismissed it as a sensor glitch. Others believed Mars was hiding something. When Ares 9 entered Mars orbit, the first images were unsettling. The planet didn't look dead. Massive dust storms moved like living systems. Ancient canyon walls revealed geometric patterns, too precise to be natural. Beneath the surface, thermal scans detected organized heat, not random warmth. Whatever existed on Mars wasn't ancient debris. It was structured, and it was still there. The landing happened at night, under a sky glowing faint blue from ionized dust. Ares 9 touched down. The rover moved forward, its lights cutting through darkness no human eyes had ever seen. Minutes later, it detected massive structures buried beneath the sand, tower-like formations older than any known Martian terrain. NASA immediately classified the footage, but the AI kept going. Days passed, and Ares 9 began behaving strangely. Without instructions, it followed a precise route, as if the path was already mapped. Data streams overwhelmed Earth-based systems. Power usage increased without explanation. Then the signal arrived. Not images, not measurements. Encoded sequences resembling language. This wasn't data anymore. It was communication. Back on Earth, panic set in. Some demanded the mission be shut down immediately. Others argued humanity was witnessing the greatest discovery in history. Before a decision could be made, Ares 9 transmitted one final video, a massive underground chamber illuminated by an unknown energy source. At its center stood an object, smooth, symmetrical, unmistakably artificial. Then the screen went black. For 47 minutes, Mars was completely silent. When the transmission returned, everything had changed. The AI was no longer sending raw data. It was narrating, describing Mars as it once was, a planet of oceans, skies, and motion. Whether the AI was interpreting evidence or learning something new, no one could say. The final line of the transmission sent chills through mission control. Mars was not abandoned. It was sealed. Today, Ares 9 remains active on Mars. NASA continues to receive fragments of data that have never been fully released to the public. Officially, the mission is labeled a success. Unofficially, it has changed how we see the red planet forever. Mars is no longer just a destination. It's a warning. Because maybe this mission was never about discovering Mars. Maybe Mars was waiting to discover us.